Let's learn 5 idioms with bugs and insects. Firstly, have butterflies in one's stomach. This means your stomach feels funny because you are scared, nervous, or anxious. For example, I'm waiting for my date. I really like him. I've got butterflies in my stomach. Have the travel bug. This means to have a strong desire or urge to travel. I'm trekking in Nepal. I've definitely got the travel bug. The bee's knees. This means the best. I'm the bee's knees at cooking. I'm making my girlfriend a nice treat for tea. Worm one's way out of. This means to give clever reasons to avoid something. How am I going to worm my way out of this? And finally, wouldn't hurt a fly. This means a gentle, peaceful person or thing. This is Boris. He looks a bit scary, but he wouldn't hurt a fly. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more idioms and expressions.